to the local government officials and the people of Cebu, thank you for making this event possible. It was a very great success. It is a very great achievement that you were able to manage to put together this spectacular event in such a short time. And I know that there were many sleepless nights before we considered ourselves ready for this, but for that, we thank you. Because your warmth, your hospitality, and enthusiasm are clearly, truly remarkable. I'm confident these will undoubtedly lead to the triumph of this year's Palarong Pambansa. So let us celebrate this occasion together with joy and with camaraderie. Let us build a brighter future for our youth, for sports, and for our country, so that through the fires and the forging of competition, we become stronger and closer as a nation towards the bagong Pilipinas that we aspire. Sa bisa ng kapangyarihan na ipinagkaloob sa akin bilang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, idinedeklara ko ang pagbubukas ng Palarong Pambansa sa taong ito. Mabuhay ang Palarong Pambansa 2024! Mabuhay kayong mga atleta! Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas!